Here again, guys, I'm about to start the fence, and this is the fence right here. It runs all the way over here. ¿Y el Willy?
Pásale, niño.
Oh, and as you can see, I'm not the only one working. They're building over here on the back, and I'm about to start pressure washing. Here's the fence. This is, so you could see, this is after. No, even before. Got confused. Then I'll make another video when it's clean. That's what I'm doing. This whole fence. Okay. Okay, I'm about to get ready to do it. Take some time. So I'm here again, guys. JRC Enterprise Cleaning. I'm about to do a fence. So yeah, hit me up at 832-739-0420 if you need any fences done in your house too. All right. Peace out.